Uh, Good morning, students. Let us learn about agriculture practice. Okay, here first step in the soil is we have to prepare the soil, that is known as preparation of soil. Sowing means we have to add the seeds into the field. Next, adding manure and fertilizer and irrigation, protecting uh, from the weeds. Weeds means insects, harvesting and storage. Okay, these are the steps in the agricultural practices. These are also known as agricultural practices. Okay, let us study one by one. Let us study about preparation of the soil. Preparation of soil is very important. It is a first step before growing the crop. One of the most important tasks in agriculture is to turn the soil, loosen it. Okay, it allows the roots to penetrate deep into the soil. Okay, with the help of plough, loosening and turning of the soil, this plough is made with the wood or iron. Ploughing and tilling is to be done because of the to you break down the large crumbs, means large big soil is to be broken down into small pieces before ploughing. Here the soil allows the root to breathe easily even when they go deep into the soil. Okay, the loosened soil help the growth of the earthworms, microbes present in the soil. These organisms are friends of the farmers. Okay, already we learned that some plants and animals get decomposed by the soil organism, and various nutrients in the dead organism are released back into the soil. Leveler level the soils for the sowing and irrigation purpose. Before ploughing, manure is to be added because the growth of the plant is to be good. The process of loosening and turning the soil is called tilling or ploughing. This is done by using plough. Plough is made with wood or iron. If the soil is very dry, it may need to watering before ploughing. Ploughed field may have big clumps, big soil called crumbs. Okay, it is necessary to break these crumbs. Leveling the field is beneficial for sowing as well as irrigation. Okay, preparation of soil is very important. The dead plant, it decomposes, it loosens the nutrients in the soil. It helps for the nutrient rich field that will help to grow the plant, and it gives nutrients to the plant. This carbon dioxide and other nutrients are helpful for the growth of the plant. Here, uh, nutrient rich organic matter is formed when humus is there. It composes in or dead animals, it decomposes, and there is a release of nutrient rich organic matter. Then this nutrient rich organic matter decomposes, gives the nutrient to the growing plant. Okay, and here earthworm and microbes, these are decomposes the dead animals, and it releases the humus. Okay, humus help for the growth of the plant.